What if your next prescription wasn't checked by a human? No pharmacist. No consultation. Just AI. And it's already starting to happen. So here's the big question, are pharmacists about to be replaced? Pharmacists do more than dispense drugs. They verify prescriptions, prevent dangerous drug interactions, and advise patients. They are a critical part of the healthcare system. Have you ever relied on a pharmacist to explain your medication? AI is rapidly entering healthcare. Systems developed by companies like IBM and Google can analyze medical data, detect drug interactions, and assist in prescribing decisions. AI can process thousands of patient records in seconds. AI systems are already being used to detect dangerous drug interactions. They can catch errors faster than humans in some cases. This can prevent serious medical mistakes. If AI can detect errors faster, should we trust it more than humans? AI has major advantages. It's fast, accurate with data, and doesn't get tired. It can analyze massive amounts of medical information instantly. But AI has limitations. It lacks human judgment, empathy, and real-world understanding. Healthcare decisions often require context that AI may miss. There have been cases where AI systems made incorrect medical recommendations. Without human oversight, these mistakes could be dangerous. Would you trust an AI alone with your health? The future isn't AI replacing pharmacists, it's collaboration. AI will assist with data analysis and error detection. Pharmacists will focus on patient care and decision-making. So what do you think, should AI assist pharmacists or replace them? AI can analyze data. But it can't replace human care. Healthcare is about trust, and trust is human. So the real question is, will pharmacists adapt, or be replaced? Subscribe for more videos on AI and the future of work. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories. Infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.